Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet a decrease in Tunisian crochet, but I'm not just going to teach you one way. I'm going to show you a few different ways on how to do a decrease. It's simple and it's easy. So let's get started, shall we? There are a few different ways to decrease a Tunisian crochet project. I'm going to use this foundation row to show you how to do that. So the very first way is the most easiest way. It is simply skipping a stitch. So that's one way of doing a decrease. So you see here that I just simply skipped this one stitch, and there you go, I did a decrease. Okay, so that is example number one to do a decrease. Example number two would be going through two loops at the same time and then yarning over and pulling through. That is another decrease, a little bit more visible, but yes, that's also a decrease. The next way would be going and to do a Tunisian simple and knit stitch at the same time, which means you're going to go through here and then through the back here and then yarn over and pull through. So you can see how they kind of come together here at this point. So that's another way to do that. So that would be first a Tunisian simple and a knit stitch all the same time, and you're decreasing these two stitches into one. The next way would be as easy as simply doing a slip stitch. So yarning over, pulling through, and then pulling through again. And there you have a slip stitch done using one stitch and therefore having a decrease. The next way would be if you're doing a reverse path. So instead of going through two loops, you're going to go through three. And in that case, you're going to see these two loops kind of coming together, and you're going to consider them as one. So that means once I come back around and I need to do my next stitch, I would be going through two stitches here at the same time because I did one less yarn over in the reverse path. And so now I consider this stitch as a one stitch. So it's already kind of closer together. So that is just a few different ways on how you can do a decrease using Tunisian crochet. If you need the full entire list of all these different ways and how to do decreases, check out the link in the description as I have them all listed with photo tutorials as well. I hope this video was helpful on how. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a video or go live. I hope to see you then. Bye!